Today, let's talk about PCU. What is PCU? PCU, in full, is Aliphatic Polycarbonate TPU. The biggest difference in structure between PCU and aliphatic polybutylene sebacate TPU is that the polyol in PCU uses polycarbonate diol instead of polybutylene sebacate diol. We can conclude that PCDL has significantly better heat resistance compared to PCL. We conducted an experiment. The results are as follows. We can conclude that polycarbonate outperforms polycaprolactone in terms of material synthesis performance. Our company, PCU PPF, adopts the following structure. Firstly, the PCU substrate inherently possesses high temperature resistance and hydrolysis resistance properties. Secondly, KOTINT has achieved vertical integrated production of its products. Its affiliated enterprises undertake granulation and independently develop carbon coatings, ensuring controllable costs and stable quality. Using Ashland 950-1059 adhesive and combined with highly dense anti-stain carbon repair coating, it maintains long-term cohesion in high-temperature environments, has excellent weather resistance, and high gloss. With a leading domestic technical team, it lays a solid foundation for quality.